But now we don't have to face our fears. The ride is broken.
Yeah!
Oh, wait. It's fine.
Huh?
Have fun.
Damn it! I don't want to face my fears. I'm afraid of them. Goodbye, Patrick.
Goodbye, SpongeBob.
Please wait until the car has come to a complete stop. And stop crying.
It's over. You can get out now.
We did it! We conquered our fears!
We stopped crying!
We survived the